Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to my vlog. Today we're just going to go through my normal stuff just like every other time. We're going to dive into a little bit of production. I have some Death Star stuff, and we're just going to see what I got going for today in the shop. So let's get her going, everyone. Let's see what I got going. Okay, so now today I want to go through how I re-spool something. So this insert I have doesn't fit. I know you can print different ones. And this, obviously, we're going to re-spool that. So the first thing I'm going to do is get my little fancy unit here. Grab a spool, put this guy on together. There's a downloadable link of this guy. In a couple of my videos, or one of my videos, but this one now, say this one has that huge slot, and that's not a good sign. What you want is to put that in there. You're gonna manually do the first 3 or 4. Now you need to untwine this to get this kink out of this. If you don't do that, it will not roll properly whatsoever. Okay. Gotta get that out till it's totally straight. Now you can start going. And then the way you know if it's right is if you stop it and it doesn't uncoil. If you stop it, it doesn't uncoil, see? And that's how you know you've done it right. So let's get to the end of this and let's see if it's uncoiled or not. Just keep her going. There you go. So that's how you know you did it right. It's not unwinding or anything. If you do it just like that, it'll work perfect every time. Thank you. All right, well, if I could fill this guy up every day, that would be definitely ideal. So today I'm rolling with the punches. I didn't get good sleep last night. I messed my day all up, but I still got all 17 of my lights done. My Jesus guy, the print failed twice. It's on the 3rd time, but this time it's working. Not sure why it failed. So yeah, moving on. I got my first Amazon order, so that's really awesome. So I'm going to list all my stuff on Amazon. I'm going to probably do that tomorrow. Sweet. That's my report in for the day. Hope you guys are having a great time with my content.